Hello dear students, welcome to Royal Palace PU College online classes. Dear students, so already we have started with the topic called as application to derivatives. In this subtopic, that is there are 5 subtopics. The first topic is rate of change of quantities. So in this rate of change of quantities, in the previous 2 sessions we had seen about lot of important problems. In the same manner, today in this session, we shall continue the problems related to our rate of change of quantities. Dear students, now let us start with the first problem. What he has asked is, the volume of the cube is increasing. Okay, what he is asking, cube is there. Okay, is increasing at the rate of 8 centimeter cube per second. That means the volume of the cube is increasing. dV by dt here with respect to time. Volume of the cube is increasing. First thing, dV by dt is given here. How fast is the surface area increasing? Okay, so surface area means how fast is surface area is increasing when the length of the edge is 12 centimeter, he is asking. So now first of all, since the problem is related to cube here, okay, so first of all let us decide about the edge here. Let x be the edge of the cube. Let x be the edge of the cube. Okay, first thing. Now volume is given. Volume of cube is equal to, or we can take v is equal to x cube. First thing. Now what he has given here is given, okay, given dV by dt he has given. So what is the dV by dt here? So volume of the cube is increasing at the rate of 8 centimeter cube second. Okay, volume of the cube is increasing. What he has given, that is 8 centimeter cube per second. This is the given data. Now what you require to find here? You require to find how fast is the surface area increasing. That means let surface area be, let surface area be S is equal to 6x square. Okay, surface area is 6x square. So we require to find ds by dt. That's all. We require to find this particular value, ds by dt equal to. Now therefore, so first of all, so what he had given? He had given the value for v is equal to x cube. I will differentiate this v, that is x cube differentiation is, so what we get here, that is dv by dt is equal to, here differentiation of x cube is 3x square into dx by dt. First thing. Next thing is, afterwards we know that dv by dt value. What is this dv by dt value? That implies it is nothing but our, okay, it is 8 centimeter cube, that is 8. So here dx by dt is equal to, so here dv by dt means what it is, 3x square is equal to 8. I will divide it to the denominator. So what we get, 8 by 3 x square. This is our dx by dt. Now we require to find here ds by dt here. Okay, that is s is given here. S is 6x square. ds by dt is equal to d by dx of this whole differentiation. That is nothing but here 12x into dx by dt. Now here 12x I will write it as it is. Dx by dt value. What is the dx by dt value? That is 8 by, okay, 8 by 3x square. Okay, 3 ones are 3, 4s are 12, and here x square get cancels. 8 4s are 32. Okay, divided by x. Now what is asking, increasing, how fast is the surface area increasing? Okay, that means I require to find ds by dt increasing when the length of the edge is 12 centimeter. That means he is asking you ds by dt when x is equal to 12. So now very simple, it is ds by dt. I will substitute here x equal to 12. So what we get? Okay, that is ds by dt at s is equal, x equal to 12. The value will be, so what we get here, that is nothing but here 32 divided by 12. Now what is the value here? 12. So here 2, okay fine, 2 6 are 12, 2 1s are, here it is nothing but here 2 6 are 12. and then again 2 3s are 2 8s are, that implies the answer is 8 by 3. Since what it is, we are finding out the surface area of the cube. Surface area of the cube, okay, it is nothing but here centimeter square per second. That is your required result. Now what is the conclusion you have to write here? The surface area, that is a ds by dt, okay, the surface area of the cube is increasing at the rate of 8 by 3 centimeter square per second, okay, when the edge is 12 centimeter. That is what your required answer. That is a first problem here. Very simple and easy example. Now what are the things we require to remember? Always remember, from the given data we are knowing all the set of formulas, okay, volume of the cube, surface area, okay, area of rectangle, okay, perimeter, then we are knowing cube, sphere, all these formulas, as well lateral surface area and the total surface area formula should be known here in this particular topic. Now, so after writing the given data, okay, we have to look on to how we have to differentiate and what values we require. For example, here I require ds by dt. How fast is surface area means here we should know the surface area formula. That is very important. Then afterwards we can solve it very easily. Okay, dear students, this is all about the first problem related to our cube. Now let us move on with the sphere. The next problem is a balloon, that is nothing but a sphere, which always remains spherical. Here is very clearly mentioned spherical, has a variable radius. Okay, that means radius ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, change ಆಗೋತಿರ್ತೈತಿ. Okay, find the rate at which its volume is increasing. Okay, that means we require to know the volume of the sphere now. Okay, volume is increasing, okay, with the radius when the letter is 10 centimeter. ಈಗ ಫಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ಏನದ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮಗಿಲ್ಲಿ, okay, let r be the radius of the sphere ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋಣ. Volume of sphere is given by volume of sphere v is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. This is our first thing. ಈಗ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ನಮಗೇನು ಬೇಕಾಗೈತಿ, ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ರೇಟ್ ಅಟ್ ವಿಚ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಇಸ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸಿಂಗ್. ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಇಸ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸಿಂಗ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಇನ್ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಅಂತ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ. ಓಕೆ, ವಿ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಏನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕೀಗ, ಡಿ ವಿ ಬೈ ಡಿ ಟಿ ವೆನ್, so what is the value, when, that is we require to find the rate at which its volume is increasing with the radius. That means with respect to what it is, with respect to r it is, with respect to r, when the letter is 10 centimeter, when r is equal to 10 centimeter. This is what he is asking us. Very simple problem. That means here differentiate with respect to r, dv by dr. Okay, dv by dr means 4 by 3 as it is, 4 by 3 as it is, pi as it is. R cube differentiation ಏನಾಗತ್ತಪ್ಪ ನಮಗಲ್ಲಿ, that is nothing but here 3r square. Okay, r cube differentiation is 3r square. Here 3 get eliminates. So what is the remaining part here? 3 get eliminates. Then what is the remaining part? 4 pi r square. Now when r is equal to 10, when r is equal to 10 centimeter, that implies here dv by dr value. dv by dr means here at r is equal to 10, substitute it, that is 4 pi into 10 square, that is nothing but 4 pi into 100. The value will be 400 pi, and that is a required result. Since what it is nothing but the volume of the sphere, that is nothing but here centimeter cube per second he has provided. That is a required result here. Okay, dear students, it is a very simple problem. So what he has asked, volume of the sphere was the given data. We require to find the rate at change, the volume is increasing with the radius. Volume ಅನ್ನೋದು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಪ್ರಕಾರ, ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು ರೇಡಿಯಸ್. ಬಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸಿಂಗ್ ಅಟ್ ದ ರೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ 8 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಪರ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು ಏನೈತಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಟೈಮ್ ಐತಿ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿ ಬೈ ಡಿ ಟಿ ತೊಗೋತೀನಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ತೊಗೋತೀನಿ, ಡಿ ವಿ ಬೈ ಡಿ ಆರ್ ಅಂತ ತೊಗೊಳತೀನಿ. ಭಾಳಷ್ಟು ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಅದ. ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ಕನ್ಕ್ಲೂಷನ್ ಬರೆದು ಬಿಡ್ರಿ. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಕನ್ಕ್ಲೂಷನ್? ಹೆನ್ಸ್ ದ ರೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಫ್ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್, ದ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸಿಂಗ್ ಅಟ್ ದ ರೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ 400 pi, ಓಕೆ, when the radius is 10 centimeter. That is your required result. Okay, dear students, please pause the video to note it down. Okay, dear students, now let us continue with the next problem. The next problem is a balloon which is always remains spherical on inflation. Inflation means what? ಅದನ್ನು ಗಾಳಿನ ಉಬ್ಬಿಸಿದಾಗ ಈಸ್ ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ಫ್ಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಪಂಪಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ 900 cubic centimeters of gas per second. Okay, find the rate at which the radius of the balloon is increasing. Okay, ಏನು ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗತೈತೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಅಂದರೆ dr/dt ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕೇಳಿದಂಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ when the radius is 15 centimeter ಕೇಳಿದಂಗೆ. Now see here, which remains always spherical on inflation is being inflated by pumping in 900 cubic centimeter gas per second. ಇದರ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ here the volume is been increasing, okay, at the rate of 900 cubic centimeter per second. That means volume, first of all I will write the volume of sphere V is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. What he has given dv by dt, given dv by dt ಕೊಟ್ಟರವರು. dv by dt ನ ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ when we are pumping the gas in, the volume of the balloon increases at the rate of 900 cubic centimeter per second. Okay, that is 900 cubic centimeter per second. Now look here, find the rate at which the radius of the balloon increases. ಏನು ಕೇಳತಾನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಗಾಳಿ ಉಬಿಸಿದಾಗ ಆ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅದಲ್ಲ ಬಲೂನ್ ಅದು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗತೈತಿ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳತಾನಲ್ಲಿ. he is asking you find, okay, we require to find dr by dt when the radius is what it is, when the radius is equal to 15 centimeter he is asked. Very simple question. Now what we have to do here, very simple question here. Since given dv by dt okay, dv by dt equal to 900, that implies here d by dt of v, what is the volume here, 4 by 3 pi r cube, 4 by 3 pi r cube is equal to 900. ಇದನ್ನು ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋರಿ ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು t, ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ 4 by 3 pi into 3 r square into dr by dt equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಪ್ಪ ನಮಗಿಲ್ಲಿ 900. now here 3 get eliminates, 4 pi r square denominator ತಗೊಳ್ರಿ, that implies dr by dt is equal to 900 divided by, okay, 4 pi r square. This is the first thing. ಈಗ ನಮಗೇನು ಬೇಕಾಗೈತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ನಮಗೇನು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಬೇಕಾಗೈತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವಿ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ dr by dt when r is equal to 15 centimeter, ವೆರಿ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ಲಿ ಗಿವನ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ನಮಗಿಲ್ಲಿ dr by dt ಬಂತು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ dr by dt ಒಳಗೆ ಏನು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ವಿ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ dr by dt r is equal to 15. ಈ 15 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋರಿ, that is your required result. very simple problem here. Okay, that we shall look onto here. Okay, that is now dr by dt at r is equal to 15 is given by, implies, that is, okay dear students, now here with respect to dr by dt we require to find at r is equal to 15 here. That means here we have 2 to 5 divided by 4 pi r square, that is 15 square, the value will be, so here already 4 get eliminated, that is nothing but 25, 2 to 5 divided by 2 to 5, the value will be 1 by pi. That means the rate at which the radius is increases is given by 1 by pi centimeter. That is your required result. Very simple problem here. Okay students, now let us move on with the next problem. What is the next problem here means the total cost C of x in rupees associated with the production of x units of the item is given by C of x. That is total cost he has given. Cost, that is C of x equal to 0.007 x cube minus 0.003 x square, then plus 15x plus 4000. It is our given data. Now we require to find marginal cost. Okay, marginal cost is given by ಹೆಂಗಿರ್ತದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, marginal cost is given by, that is ಇದನ್ನ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡೋದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ, that is dc by dx at what it is marginal cost when it is 17 units we are producing at x equal to 17 ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಇದಷ್ಟೇ ಡಾಟಾದ. ಈಗ ಇದನ್ನು ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಡಿ ಸಿ ಬೈ ಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಡಿ ಸಿ ಬೈ ಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು, ಓಕೆ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಹಿಯರ್ 0.007 into 3x square, okay, into 3x square minus 0.003 into 2x plus 15. ಈಗ x equal to 17 substitute ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಬಿಡ್ನು. That is a required result. At x equal to 17, the value will be 0.007 into 3 into 17 square, okay, minus of 0.003 into 2 into 17 plus 15. ಓಕೆ, ಇದು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಏನು ಬರ್ತದಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇಕ್ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 20.967. that is a required result in terms of rupees it is. Okay, now here what we have done, only one thing we require to know is the marginal cost is given by differentiating the C cost with respect to XCL. That is what we require to know. Okay dear students, this is all about our rate of change of quantities. ಈ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಏನದ ಬಹಳ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಅದ, ಬಟ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮೇನ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಈಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಯು ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್. ಈ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟೇನಿ, ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನಿಮಗೆ ಮೆಮರೈಸ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಒಂದು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ವಿಚ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಲರ್ನ್ ಇನ್ ಯುವರ್ 10th ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಥಿಂಗ್. ದ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಯು ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಡ್ ಟು ನೋ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ದ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್. ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಏನೇನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರೋ ಡಾಟಾ ಏನೇನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರೋ ಅದನ್ನು ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಫಸ್ಟಿಗೆ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಸ್ಪಿಯರ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಐತಿವೋ ಅಥವಾ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಐತಿವೋ ರೆಕ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಐತಿವೋ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಐತಿವೋ ಅದನ್ನು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು ಕ್ಲಿಯರಾಗಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸು ಬರೀಬೇಕು, ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ ಅದನ್ನು ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ನಾವೇನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗೈತಿ ಅದನ್ನು ಬರೆದ್ರಂದರೆ ನಿಮಗೊಂದು ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ ಸಿಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತದೆ. you will get a clear picture how to solve the given problem here, and that will be very very simple for you to solve it. Okay dear students, this is all about our first topic, that is the rate of change of quantities. In the next session we shall start with the next topic related to our application to derivatives. Thank you dear students.